Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you to the Rheinfall, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in all of Europe, the largest waterfall on the continent. Trust me, this is pure magic. About 150 meters wide and 23 meters of water crashing down with massive force. About 600,000 liters of water crashing down every second, and you can feel the ground is vibrating. During spring, when the snow of the Alps melts, the water flow can reach over 600,000 liters per second. The power is absolutely insane. Rheinfall is not just a waterfall, it is an experience, a reminder of how powerful and beautiful nature can be. One of the best things you can do here is take a boat ride from panoramic tour to into the heart of waterfall with the iconic yellow and red boats. Unfortunately, today the force of water is extremely high, so the boats are not able to reach the main point, and because of this, we skipped the boat rides. When you visit Rheinfall, one of the most epic moments is crossing the bridge that connects two sides of the falls. It's such a cinematic moment. From the middle of the bridge, you get one of the best balanced view, castle on one side, powerful falls in the front, and the river flowing away into the horizon. The castle Schloss Laufen has some panoramic viewpoints that brings you incredibly close to the water. However, to enter these castle's viewpoints, you have to pay 5 francs. Honestly, considering the views, the amount is nothing. The pathways are safe, but you will get wet, and that is part of fun. From every viewpoint, it feels raw, powerful, and alive. It's such an adventure. The viewpoint is absolutely insane. Best time to visit is spring for maximum water flow, easy access by train or car from Zurich, about 1 hour. Sunset and golden hour gives you amazing light for pictures and blogs. Rheinfall was formed around 15,000 years ago during last ice age. In the 19th and 20th centuries, there were even plans to use this fall for hydraulic power. Thankfully, because of strong public protest, still today it remains one of Switzerland's most iconic natural monuments. Every year, worldwide over 1 million visitors travel destination is this fantastic waterfall. The castle is more than 1000 years old. Because of its strategic position during the Middle Ages, the castle became a center of power, tax collection, and administration. Over time, it transformed into a noble residence. Today, it's beautifully restored and open to visitors with a museum, restaurant, and some of the best viewing platforms in Switzerland.